Now, I am going to show to you on how to solve the quadratic equation using the factorizing method. This factorizing method is very simple because you can just straight away use calculator to find the factors, which is the values of x. Now we move to example. Okay, I have one equation here as an example. First of all, before we start calculating, we have to make sure that the equation given is in general form of quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. If it is, then now we can start calculating. If your equation is already in general form of quadratic equation, we can straight away use the calculator. First press on, then press menu, press the right key here until you find equation slash function, then press equal. Press 2 for polynomial, select 2, press 2, and we have the general form of quadratic equation here. We can just substitute the value of a, b and c into the calculator. So first, value of a equals to 1, press 1, equals, value of b is negative 2, equals, and value of c is negative 15, equals. Then press another one of equal. We have the value of x here 5, and the second value of x here is negative 3. You have to write in this bracket form to prove that we can factorize the quadratic equation using factorization method. We separate the brackets and we solve it. And we get back the values of x, which is x equals to 5, x equals to negative 3. And now we are done.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today, I will present the fastest method or the easiest method to get the answer of completing the square CTS. First of all, we must look at the question first, which is y equal x square plus x plus 10, right? We must know the general formula, which is a bracket x plus b cross bracket square plus q equal to 0. This is very important to know. Okay, the fastest way to get the answer is, first, we look at this one. We do like this, x plus 4 square, y plus, because it is plus, we just copy, and y 4 because we have it. 8 over 2 is 4. This one is 4 because we have. Then we do like normal, which is x square plus 8x plus 16. The first term and the second term is same, but the third term is not same. So we do 16 minus 10 equal to 6. So the answer is x plus 4, we just copy, x plus 4 square minus 6 equal to 0. Why minus? Because this minus. Okay, that's it. Question 2, y equal x square minus 19x plus 7. Okay, first of all, we must look at first term and second term, which is x square minus 19x minus. We do x minus 19 over 2 square equal, we do normally x square minus 19 over 2 minus 361 over 4. How do we get 361 over 4? We get from 19 over 2 power of 2. So we get this, but we don't want this, so we minus 361 over 4 minus 7. Okay, minus 7. So we get 334 over 4. So this answer is, open bracket, x minus 19 over 2, we just copy from above, square minus 334 over 4 equal to 0. So this is the answer. After the manual method, we can do the calculator method or calculator hex, which is more faster and more accurately. First of all, we must look at the equation first, which is y x square plus x plus 10. Okay, first we must press the on button. Then when you set up, then we circle below until a, then press equal, which is below there. Then press 2 again, and we insert the number, which is x square 1 equal, and x only 8x and c is 10. Then we press equal again, so we get the first one is x1. Then we press this button until it appears like this. Minimum of y x square plus bx plus c, which is x is negative 4. Negative 4 and y is negative 6. Why this answer in there is x plus 4 because x, we must change the signs. Meanwhile, the y we not change or we remains the signs which is negative 6. Negative 4, 4. Then y negative 6 is negative 6. So this answer is correct. And this is the fastest way.
Hi, let's solve a question, shall we? Before we start, let's remember again the sum that help us to easily remember the quadratic formula from the previous video. Firstly, using op goes to razor rhythm, where x equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the second one is using bad romance rhythm. Ho ho, let's write the formula. Negative b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here are the questions. For x squared plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Firstly, we know that the questions above is in general form of quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where x is a variable and a, b, c are constant. Before we starting to solve this question, we must know the quadratic formula. So for this question, I will use the version 1 of simple way to remember the quadratic formula that we just shared to you from the previous slide. From the lyrics, we can write it as the original form of the quadratic formula, which is x equals to negative b plus or minus the square roots of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. After that, we can start to substitute 4 for a, 1 for b, and negative 3 for c in the formula, and it will become. Please remember to substitute inside the formula with a bracket, and then solve the solutions under the root first and continue the other solution. And then simplify it, and it's become x equal to negative 1 plus or minus 7 over 8. At the end of the solution, you will get two answers because it will have two roots which is negative and positive. So we will get x equal to 3 over 4 and x equals to negative 1. And we are done.